Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. I wanted to talk to you about my trade with AAL today. Have you guys watched William's video on hotkeys? He teaches about a hotkey that you can place a range order for a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1 risk to reward. And I have been using that this week to teach myself patience because I typically scale out very quickly and I don't maximize my profits. So I used that today on this trade. AAL was really heavy all day or all morning, and I saw that it was finding a bottom. As you can see, it was making very large wicks down to the bottom side, and right here on the 2-minute, it made a hammer candle with a large wick, and as soon as it made a new high, I went long, but then I didn't like the candle after that, so I went ahead and got out and I sat and waited and watched because it was kind of setting up to be kind of a head and shoulders. And right here, as you can see, the 9-minute and the 20, or excuse me, the 9 moving average and the 20 were crossing, and then the 50 came and crossed the 2. And so typically it probably would have been better to go long right here, but I, for some reason, went long right here. But I left myself some room, and my stop loss was 13.15, and I did a 2-to-1. I set a 2-to-1 range, and if I wouldn't have done that, I would have partialed on the way up, and I would not have made 2-to-1 on this trade. And so because I did, it stopped, or it exited my position at this 100 moving average on the 1 minute, which was a really perfect profit target for me. And that's it. If you haven't watched William's video on that and you have the same trouble I do, taking profits too quickly, I strongly suggest trying it. A couple days ago, I used it, and you can cancel it at any time. So if the trade is going against you and you don't even want to risk the full amount that you originally set, you can just cancel it and get out of your position. Or if it's going in your direction and you don't want to get out of your entire position, you can cancel it, partial out, and then just keep going. That's what I did the other day. It kept going in my direction. I canceled my range order and then took profits on the way up. So if you haven't seen it, I strongly suggest doing so. I don't know, maybe we can link it in the bottom or under this video, or it is on YouTube, and it's from William with Bearable Traders, and it's about hotkeys. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.